So I've already released a cool video on 3 ways to use generative fill in Photoshop. Make sure to check it out if you haven't seen it. In this video I'm going to show you 3 more insane ways to use generative fill in Photoshop to take your images to the next level. Okay, so let's jump in with our first task for Photoshop's generative fill. I've got this image of a model here with obviously a bald head. Let's see if we can change that for him. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a mask just around here and keep clicking, and there we go. Now I'm going to click generative fill and I'm going to type brown thick hair and click generate, and we'll see what it does. Okay, so it's definitely going to give us some hair. Let's kind of have a click through and see what hairstyles we've got. I mean, that one's quite cool. I think I like this one. You can obviously keep clicking and generating until you get what you want. But if we just click off, this is the before and this is the after. So it's quite a stylish haircut, to be fair to him. So what we're going to do now is jump into our next one. We're going to look at changing the background of a photo. So we've got this guy on a little ukulele here. So what I'm going to do is spend some time kind of just masking around this guy, and then we're going to use generative fill to change the location for this guy. Okay, so I've got mine selected and it was quite easy to do. You may have noticed at the bottom it had a select subject icon. So if I just jump back into here, you can see when you load an image in, you can click select subject and it'll just very quickly load around that subject. So that's what I did in here. And now I'm going to click generative fill. But before I do that, I've got to invert my selection. So if I just hit Control Shift and I, what it's going to do is it's actually going to select all of this stuff out here. So now I can go to generative fill and put in beach and ocean so that he's on a Caribbean island. In fact, I'll type in Caribbean there as well. And there you have it. In a second, it has completely changed the background for this guy. So not a fan of that one, but let's go there or there. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Lighting could probably be matched a little bit better, but let's give it another go. Let's go ahead and say city center and click generate. Okay, and let's see what we've got here. So we can click through over here now, and that one's pretty all right. Again, lighting, we could look at a bit different on his head there. But yeah, cool, you've got lots of options with this. So we're going to move now on to our final one, which I find really impressive. This is literally one of my favorites. I'm going to drag now an image in of just a little ski resort. So it should load in now. So here it is. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the lasso tool and I'm just going to draw something around just like this, because I want to put in a nice little lake by here. And I'm just going to go around like this, load this area in, and now I'm going to go generative fill, and I'm going to put lake, and I'm also going to put the word reflective and water. I'm separating them with commas so it looks at them individually. So click generate. I mean, that is so cool. The ripples are pretty good there. And just look at the reflections. They've got the ripples, the reflections. That is really, really cool. And even where it joins, but there, it just looks so real. So that one I'm not a fan of. The grass ruins it. But this, if I just click here now, before and after, that is unreal, really. So that one I find so impressive. You can even see the lighting by here. It's kind of matched it. So yeah, those are 3 more ways on using generative fill within Photoshop. I hope you enjoyed that. Leave a comment if you did of what you want to see in the future. And yeah, cheers for tuning in, guys.